So 8 Sleep just raised 100 million US dollars in CDC funding to turn a bed into a presentative health tub. So their backers include Founders Fund, Y Combinator, and even some big names like F Fund's Charles Leclerc and McLaren CEO Zach Brown. So with this round, 8 Sleep's total funding is now over 260 million US dollars, almost doubling its valuation since the last raise. And the timing just makes sense. More and more people are starting to see sleep as a part of preventative healthcare. So, what does this product do exactly? Their pod system tracks your sleep stages, heart rate, breathing, and even snoring. So, based on that data, it automatically adjusts the bed's temperature, elevation, and firmness while you are sleeping. So, a ton of athletes are already using it, and Leclerc has even said it helps him train better during race season. But it's not just athletes. People like Mark Zuckerberg, Elon Musk, Andrew Huberman, and Marcus Brownie are also the customers. So the bigger vision here is building an AI sleep agent. They want to create digital twins of your physiology to simulate how your body might react to certain interventions. Basically, instead of a wearable telling you the next morning that your REM sleep was bad, the pod would actually take action in real time right there. Like cooling your side of the bed if you're overheating, or slightly raising the bed if you start snoring. So, they also want to move into medical use cases and are actually filing with the FDA for things like sleep apnea and menopause support. So, 8 Sleep even claims their tech can monitor your cardio and respiratory health with 99% accuracy, which would make the pod more than just a sleep gadget. It would be a legitimate medical advice. Now, here's the catch, it's expensive. It is pretty expensive. The pod starts at around 2500 US dollars for the basic version and goes up to over 5000 US dollars for the Ultra Plus model. On top of that, you need to pay a monthly subscription of $17 to $42 to unlock the smart feature. And keep in mind, the mattress itself is sold separately. The pod is basically just the cover. Still, 8 Sleep has strong traction. Since 2019, they have sold over 500 million US dollar worth of pods, and they have grown their revenue 10x and collected over a billion hours of sleep data.